Okay, this is going to be the first video I'm going to do, and this video is just going to be about what the channel is going to be about and the purpose of the channel. But this video, it's not going to be nothing interesting, just to tell you about what the channel is about and explaining what I'm going to be doing. Okay, straight on, the purpose of the channel will be, I'm going to be sharing lots of knowledge, tips, tricks, flight videos, all just teaching stuff. I don't want to waste time though. I don't want to wait. There's many YouTubers out there who just go skateboarding, drink coffee, and they're vlogging the whole time. It's just boring. I don't know who wants to watch that. So yeah, I plan to do a monthly flight video. So every month, hopefully at the end of the month, I will be making one flight video. I want to review lots of frames, do flight tips, tricks. I want to do build videos. Also, part of this YouTube channel is going to be to post modifications, updates, build videos, and other things about a frame that I'm working on that hopefully is going to fly quite well, and I think it's actually going to do pretty well compared to a lot of other frames. So yeah, part of this YouTube channel is probably just going to be updates on that frame, builds on the frame, and kind of inspiration for people who buy the frame and just going to use the frame if I ever do make the frame. Anyway, I think that's it.